Feet are hip distance apart. Let's take the hands to the floor or hold your ankles. We're going to push your lower back into the floor, squeeze your belly. We're coming up into bridge pose. So rolling the hips up first, peeling off the lower back, the middle back, coming up onto your shoulders for your bridge. You can keep your hands where they are. And if your hips are high enough, if your shoulders are open enough, maybe you can interlace the fingers under your back here. So trying to hold the hands. If you get to hold the hands, we're going to walk your shoulders towards each other. So trying to squeeze your shoulder blades, that's going to get a stretch into your chest. That might get your arms lower into the floor here. And then we're going to push your arms. The forearms are pushing as the chest pushes to the back of the room. And then the feet are pushing to get those hips high. So try to feel this evenly from your lower back to your upper back. It's the upper back that is harder to bend, so maybe you need to push that chest towards the wall behind you more than you lift those hips up. So an even bend through the spine, an opening of the heart here. Chin, the chest is coming to the chin here. I'm feeling this in my shoulder blades and triceps the biggest engagement. And if you want to, you can take a rest. If you want to stay here, stay here. If you prefer, if you want more, come to the toes. And if you want even more, raise the right leg up, trying to touch the ceiling with the right foot if you dare. You don't have to. So leg lifts are quite strong. If you want to do it, do it. If you want to try, try. As long as you keep breathing. And then swapping the legs. So that right foot comes down. And the left leg comes up. Big stretch through your hamstring. If you get the legs straight, keep those forearms pushing into the floor. Keep breathing. Do not hold the breath.